Hello everyone. Today we are going to create a Gmail connection, and for that I'm going to take Gmail trigger. Going in Gmail, inside you will find on message received. On clicking you will find credential to connect with. So here we are going to make new credential so that you can know what's the process. For that I'll be going to Google Cloud Console because I've been doing this process, so it's in my history. Now, clicking here, I'll actually go to the new project and you can give any default name. So I'm just giving it N10 project 2, and we have to select any organization, but I don't have right now, so I'll just go with the no organization thing and create it. Now my second project has been created. I'll go inside it, select the project, and now what I'll be doing is I have to go in this option APIs and services, and inside it OAuth consent screen. Now when we reached here, we are going to go in the overview section and get started. Let's start by giving any default name, so maybe project 2. Avoid writing names like Gmail because they are already taken names and they are official, so we should avoid it. Hustlers, like I'm giving my email. We are going to make it external. It's like less private. Next thing, we are going to give any emails. Now we are going to actually click at create OAuth client. Selecting application type, we will select web application, and let's just simply say project 2 because that's what I'm working on. And then simply we are going to create. When you will be creating, so you will get this client ID. You can like copy it and okay. Now if we go inside it, we will find our client ID, and here we can find our client secret. You can actually copy and put inside your N10. So I'm going to take this client ID. Now here if you see, it's written authorized redirect URIs, so we are going to add our URL. Like you have to copy this and you have to paste it over here and click save. Now when we go back, and don't forget to name it properly. Sign in with Google, you will select your email. Now you will find this access is denied because the reason being we need to go here. You have to, after like you have given the client ID, client secret, and pasted your URL here, you have to go here at the data access section. If you are facing issue of access blocked or access denied when you are actually putting your email, so two things to check. One is that you need to come here in the data access portion and you need to give all the necessary permissions. And the second is you need to write Gmail here, go to the Gmail API and you have to enable it. After like you have enabled your Gmail API, you have to go in the data access section, and now there will be more scopes listed because you have enabled your Gmail node. See, all these are selected, and now select these as well because they are actually related to your Gmail. So let's just save it and move back to our N10. Here we are going to click at sign in with Google, click at our email. One thing you need to make sure is that going to your audience portion and giving here a test user email. It's necessary, otherwise your access denied error will be coming. We have given this test email. We are going to go back to the N10 project and clicking here at sign in with Google. When you are going to come here, clicking on continue will list down the permissions and you have to select them, like you will be giving the permission. I'm not getting because I already have selected them. Now we are going to go back to our node. Like every minute, this is like, okay, at what duration you want the trigger to be enabled or triggered. Now what the event should be, so there is message received, I have selected, and now I'm going to give another node which is Gmail, but here I'm going to put reply to a message. Okay, what I'm trying to create is if there's an email coming to your Gmail, so you will be notified, and once you have notified, you can actually give that person reply back. So I'm going to select the credentials that we just made, that was Gmail project. Here we are going to select message because we are going to send a message and we are going to send a reply, so reply is perfectly fine. The message type will be text because we are going to send a texting. Now that's our message, and message ID. Once you have like executed the previous node, you will get all the information from the previous nodes, and you have to select this and drag and drop here. This is our message ID, and now we are going to execute this step as well. So there is no message sent, so it's showing 0. Let's now go to our another email, and we are here in our email portion, and we are going to send an email to check whether that's working or not. I've sent a email. Now I'm going to execute workflow and let's see what the result is coming out. We can see here that this email has been sent as a reply, and our Gmail node and whole workflow is working fine. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have like any queries, you can actually write them in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video and see you soon. Bye bye.